How to add words to predictive text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Now, scroll down and turn on the Predictive Text feature over here. After that, go to Text Replacement at the top as shown. Here, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. You can enter the phrase that you want to add over here. For example, subscribe. You can also create a shortcut for this phrase below. For example, SCB. Creating a shortcut will automatically expand into the word or phrase as you type. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Here, tap on the new message icon at the top right corner. Then, go to the text bar below and type in the shortcut you just created. As you can see, you will find the predictive phrase over here. Following these steps, you can easily add words to predictive text on iPhone.